What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If this isn't your first time, and welcome to I'm Just Tech, the channel where I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. And in today's video, I'm back with another Discord tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a cute / aesthetic rules page for your Discord server using a website that just makes it easy for you. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, then keep on watching. So you want to go to your Discord server, and then you want to go to whatever channel you're going to be adding your rules to. We can make this one. So you want to go here, go to edit channel. I did use a template for this server. So if you're interested in learning how to use a template to create a Discord server, I have a video on that you can check out here. And then we're going to come down here and go to integrations. I'm going to go to integrations, and then you're going to come over here and click on webhooks, create a webhook. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and choose a photo. I'm just gonna keep using the same photo that I usually use. It's this one. And I'm gonna name the bot the rules bot rules channel, so we can leave that there. Then I'm going to hit save changes actually. And before you leave here, you wanna copy this webhook URL. So just copy that, and then you can exit out of that. And now you can go to your browser. It's discohook.org. And I'll have the link down below just in case you want to copy and paste it. But this is going to really just help you. Essentially, you can kind of see, it may look confusing. It's not confusing, I promise you. It makes it so much easier. But once you start typing stuff over here and adding stuff, this is what it's going to look like basically. First things first, you want to come up here and hit clear all so we can just start fresh. And the URL that you just copied from your Discord server, you can come over here and paste that here. And don't hit send yet, because basically what that means is that it's going to, once we finish setting up our rules and we hit send, it's going to send it to our rules channel, if that makes sense. But you guys will see in a second. So now you can come over here and just start adding stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and hit add embed. As you can see, it already added something. So I'm going to open this up. So you can change the color of the little line on the side. Yeah, that line right there. Let's make it like, yeah, I like that color. For the top, I just want an image URL. What I usually do is I'll go to, is it Giphy, Jiffy, however you decide to say it. But I go here and I'll look for like cute anime. We'll go with that. So I pick something, and is it copy link? I'm gonna add image, paste that, and that'll be the top. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna add another embed, and this is going to be the body of it. But you can like move it up and down, so if you want the text to be above, I'll show you guys that later. I'm gonna open this back up, go to body, and I'm just gonna copy this color code. That way I can put it here as well. For here, then you can start typing your rules. Please read these rules. I'm just gonna type a few like basic rules, but you can go through and add whatever rules you want. So those are like basic rules. I'll just go through and kind of like space these out. I like the way that looks. Usually what I like to do is I like to add a photo on top and a photo on bottom. That's just me personally. You don't have to do that. So I'm gonna add one more embed, open it up. I'm gonna paste that color. I'm gonna find me one more photo. Go back over here and just paste it. But yeah, if you decide that, okay, I want this photo to be under that, or if you want to just move stuff around, you can come over here and click these arrows to move it up or down. So you can move that down, move that up. If you want this photo to be on top like that, it gives you a good amount of space to move, and it's pretty flexible. Once you decide that, you know, okay, I like how this looks, I'm ready to put it to my Discord server, you just come up here and hit send. Okay, and we're gonna go over here and check our Discord server to make sure it went through. Rules, there it is. So, you know, it's quick, easy, helps you kind of, you know, make it easy on yourself, and then you can always like go back and just edit it. And you know, I like the versatility of this. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you found it helpful. If you need any other type of tutorials, leave it down in the comment section below and I will check it out. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.